So today I am here to talk about the three best features of Account Magic software. So these are e-invoicing, e-way bill, and GSTR two-way reconciliation with a single button in our software. So when we talk about the e-invoicing has been the biggest and one of the most talked about changes when it comes to the GST in 2020. It's basically a system in which B2B invoices are and export invoices are authenticated electronically by the GST portal for the further use on our common GST portal. Under this system, an identification number will be issued against every invoice by the IRP, that is Invoice Registration Portal, which is further managed by the GST network. All the invoices info will be transferred from this portal to GST portal and e-way bill portal in the real-time basis. You will track your invoices on the real-time basis. And also, it will eliminate the need of your manual data entry while filing your GST R1 returns, as well as for the generation of the e-way bill. All the info from the IRP portal will be transported to your GST portal. So the question is, who why for who for what clients it is mandatory and for whom it is applicable. So e-invoices has been made applicable from 1st October 2020 to all the businesses whose turnover exceeding rupees 500 crore in any of the preceding financial years starting from 2017 to 2020, and now from the 1st January 2021 it is applicable for the businesses whose turnover exceeding rupees 100 crore. So e-invoicing is beneficial for both taxpayers and the department. So when we talk about how will it benefit the businesses, so firstly, e-invoices resolves and plays a very major gap for the data reconciliation. It reduces your data entry processes. It's a real-time tracking of your invoices. It's a faster availability of input tax credit. Also, the main important thing is it is a one-time reporting of all your invoices. You don't have to put your invoices particularly for any return. All the invoices will be automatically be generated in your respective returns. And it's a very simple process with our software. With just one click, you will be able to convert your tax invoices into an e-invoices, and your e-invoices will be registered on the GST portal, and you will be further navigate your invoices to the respective return. So the next important feature is e-way bill. So e-way bill is mandatory for the movement of the good. Every GST registered person who wants to transport the goods in a vehicle whose aggregate value exceeding rupees 50,000 will have to provide the e-way bill. So it will be generated by the registered person and also by the unregistered person who are dealing with the registered person, and the transporter as well. So with from our software, when you will create an invoice, an e-way bill option will be there in our software. You just click on the e-way bill and you will be directed to the GST site, and with just a one button you will the e-way bill will be generated, and you will easily use that. And the third important feature is GSTR 2A reconciliation. So Count Magic offers the most powerful and advanced reconciliation tool that provides faster GST reconciliation, matches your entries, and assure 100% ITC claim for all the taxpayers. So GST reconciliation primarily involves matching the data uploaded by the supplier with those of the data recipient purchase. This basically includes comparing your GSTR 2A auto-populated invoices from the supplier data and your purchase data. It is GSTR 2A is important under the new GST regime, where the taxpayer will only be able to claim input tax credit if the particular invoice is present in your GSTR 2A. So reconciliation of your GSTR 2A and your purchase data is very important now for claiming the input tax credit. So in our software, it's a very simple process to compare your purchase data and GSTR 2A you will just click on that GSTR 2A button, and you will receive an OTP, and a reconciliation Excel sheet will be prepared where you will compare your all purchase data and GSTR 2A invoices, and you will able to identify what differences are there, and you will reconcile your invoices from that. So these